Hey guys, and welcome back to Slaughterbox. So, today we'll be covering the features of YTD, YouTube Video Downloader. So, if you go into Chrome and out here type YouTube Downloader, or in any other browser also, you'll get this option of YTD Video Downloader. So if we go ahead and click that, we'll come to this page. Out here we'll have the option to download either the free version or the pro version, which is paid for. So if we click on the free download button, immediately the download will start. I'll not do that because I've already got it downloaded and installed, so I'll skip that process too. But it's fairly simple, so I trust you guys to be able to manage it. But now we'll go ahead and see the software itself. So we'll start with the download process. In the download tab, you have this area where if we go into YouTube, and just select any of these videos. Say we select this Assassin's Creed one, and we say copy link address. Then we can paste it out here, or rather I'll show it to you. So copy link address, and if I go here, it automatically pastes it. So then we have the option to set the download quality. So 720, 1080, 480, 360. There are two options in 360, FLV or MP4, 240 or 144 pixels. So we'll stick with 1080, and I'm not anyways downloading, so it won't matter. Then you can select where to save it here. So I could select, say, libraries and videos, and just let it save here. So we'll go ahead and close that. We'll let it be at desktop. Then we can go ahead and download. We can also automatically convert it to, but that's only available in the pro version. But if we press this and then selected the option of which format we want it in and which conversion quality we wanted, we could then get our video converted and downloaded rather than having to do processes separately. Also in the pro version, you have, if you see this line, then you can make it that you can download multiple videos together. Then in the convert tab, we can select what file we want to convert. We can select this option so that when converted, then the original file is deleted, so that you don't have two files taking up the space on your hard disk. Then you can choose the conversion format. You can select MPEG 4, MPEG 4, MOV, Apple QuickTime format, then the PSP format, MP4 again, but in some other manner, and all these other options also. Or if you know what this means, then you can also set up the parameters yourself. And then there's the conversion quality: high, optimal, medium, low, same as original. Though let me tell you, if you have downloaded a video, say in 720 pixels, then by selecting high, it will not go to 1080 pixels quality. Then for that you need to download it in 1080 pixels. It may increase the quality, but it will still remain as pixelated or slightly less, but still quite, it won't go to the level of 1080 pixels. Then you can select where you want to save it to, or you can click this so that it saves it to the same place as downloads. And then you can also increase the volume, but I'm not sure if it will actually work, or it might, but the audio quality will be modified a bit, I feel. And then you can cut the video to select the start time and the end time. Then you can see what files are downloading or converting. And you also have the option to play videos out here within YTD. But I would also like to tell you that though you have the option to cut the video here, it is still more preferable if you use some other proper video editing software for such a thing, because if you want to take out something from the middle and still keep the end fixed like that, then you won't be able to do it in YTD without a lot of hard work. First you'll have to select the beginning part and leave it at the beginning of the part that you want to skip in the middle, and then you'll have to select the end part of the part you want to avoid, and then select the end of the video, and then you have to merge the two videos together, which again is not possible in YTD. So it's much more preferable if you do it within another software. So yes, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching. And please subscribe here. You see the link? Please subscribe. Don't hesitate to press it. It's very easy. You just need to move your mouse a tad. That's it. Thank you. Bye.